I'm showing the Unity, the Ocean Marina Yacht Club Unity 2206 that's listed for 629. Okay, let's take a look here. There's a very nice layout, corner Unity. They have the service, a lot of closet space. They have one bathroom here, half bath for the guests. That's the air conditioner here. And you come here, you have this open layout. It's a beautiful split open layout. You have here, that's the third bedroom, could be like an office space, could be a third bedroom, like a family room. And then you have the extra closet space here. There's a lot of space in this. And here you have it's not the master bedroom. And then you have even ocean view here from the bedroom here. This one is a beautiful ocean view. Intercoastal view because it's a corner. A lot of space. It's about 1,700 square feet. Look even bigger. Again, you have a lot of space. Again here. And then let's take a look here in the master suite. That's the master suite. And that's the master bathroom. It's a lot of space here. The shower. Huge closet space. Let's take a look in the view. This view for the master is an intercoastal. You can see the boats. It's a beautiful afternoon in Florida. You're able to see the multi-million dollars houses. Even the Gulf Stream. That's the kitchen. They have the aisles here, and they have a huge balcony. The balcony is a very large. You probably have a beautiful sunset, sunrises. You can see everything. Don't waste the opportunity. A good price, a new building where you can impact the windows.